One of the questions is should we use a bigger stop loss on the Nasdaq? This is Cobra 3. This is what we traded today, stopped out by about $100. We need about $100 bigger stop loss today, and it would have captured a $2,900 profit target. So you see, got short there, stopped out at 14,162. The high of that bar was 4.5 points higher, $90 higher. If we had had a $100 higher stop loss, this would have captured its $2,900 profit target, and you see that in this workspace right here. We've been tracking the bigger stop loss version, so let's look at the performance summary for that. So let's look at the performance summary for the $600 stop loss, which makes let's see, 13,005. This is going back the last historically. This one is better, but we're going back to, I think I have this back to 7 months. Set it back to 7 months. $25 round turn slippage and commission, and good results. The last 8 trades are losers, 8 losing trades in a row, and it hasn't done that in the last 7 months, but it's done that historically. So here is what the equity curve looks like, and let's look at the results with the bigger stop loss. So let's look at the bigger stop loss version, and it is 15,575. It went ahead of the $600 profit target version today, because the $600 profit target version lost 600, and this made 2,900. So before today, the big stop loss version over the last 7 months was not as good, but after today, it is better. So it's making equity peaks with a bigger stop loss. You see some of these trades. This trade, I believe these 2 trades, were stopped out on the $600 profit target version. Let's take a look and see. I'm going to close this down and take a look and see. So this trade and this trade were stopped out on the $600 profit target, on the $600 stop loss. This one was definitely stopped out. Some days it doesn't matter how big your stop is. You'd have to about a $6,000 or $7,000 stop loss here on this day. So on that day, a tighter stop works because it would have lost on a $1,200 stop. But on these 2 days, recently with the recent volatility, the bigger stop loss works. And so the percentage of range, you could do that as well. I get questions about percentage of range. Problem is you open up yourself to an undefined stop loss value. So depending on your account size, you'd have to make sure that the range is really spiked, that the stop loss wasn't extremely large in comparison to your account. So capitalization matters, but just doubling it is doing better right now. There's big ranges from 3 a.m. Europe time until the lows today at around 12:30. About an $18,000 move, about 900 points, and then the market made a comeback of about $11,000, and then it did this pullback, which is about $5,000. So 18,000 down from 3 a.m., and then 11,000 up, and then 14,248 to that low there. Yeah, that's about $5,000, and then $5,000 back. And so it's kind of a day where the longs work better overall, and the shorts. Once again, we get the dip buyers constantly coming in and popping the market every day, and so a lot of the dip buyers got together and said today is capitulation, and they bought it. I don't know if it is capitulation. I think we have to go lower, but I'm all for a counter trend rally to the upside, so we'll take that. This choppiness has been extreme, and a bigger stop loss could be in order for Cobra 3. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.